This video is about Adept Fuyu. This is just an overview of this model because I don't see any option here on their website to try it out. I have requested access to this Adept experiments and I'm not sure when I would get it, but whenever I do, I will create another video in order to show you how this thing works. Adept has been releasing these models and other tooling and other set of AI products for some time now, and they're also hiring, by the way, if you're interested. So you need to go to their career page and go through these. But for this video, let's check it out, their new model, which was I think released just 4 or 5 days ago, which is Adept Fuyu-Heavy. Adept Fuyu-Heavy is seems like an interesting model to me because this is the third most capable multimodal model, excelling in user interface understanding and also outperforming Gemini Pro in the MMU benchmark. The size is quite small, but it matches text-only benchmarks of larger models and integrates text-image processing, indicating high efficiency and potential for diverse applications. Another thing about Adept Fuyu is that it is also just behind GPT-4V and Gemini Ultra. But if you look at them, both GPT-4 Vision and Gemini Ultra are 20 times bigger than this Fuyu-Heavy. And there are three things which stand out about this model. Let me walk you through. First, it excels at multimodal reasoning, as I mentioned, and then this is a triple MU where it has even beaten Gemini Pro. Then the standard text benchmarks, it already has exceeded a lot of models out there, open source and closed source both, and they can also scale up the Fuyu architecture, and I have another video where I go into more detail as what exactly Fuyu architecture is. So they also have shared couple of videos, and you can just go to their website and watch these videos from there. And I'm not going to play it here. Maybe there might be a copyright issue or something, you never know. But I'll drop the link to their website so that you can watch it by yourself. But now look at these prompts, which are quite interesting. So a data has been given in the tabular form, as you can see here, and then it is saying that according to the table below, which food is the most likely cause of the outbreak of food poisoning. Now, according to this table, that number of people who ate that food, and the number of people who ate that food and got sick. And from here, Adapt is now doing reasoning, and then it is showing how it is doing the reasoning, just like ChatGPT 4, I would say, and then it is giving you the correct answer, both in detail and in summary. And then they are just describing how they have done it. Lot of evaluations are there, and this is MMLU task comparing with Gemini Pro, Inflection, and Grok 1, and you can see that the performance is pretty good on almost all of the benchmarks except this math one, where Gemini Pro and Inflection have beaten it hands down. And then there are a lot of other benchmarking data. So there's not much information, unfortunately. I would really hope to see what exactly this model can do, because it will be really good to see, for example, how it does the inference. And then for example, especially on the multimodal stuff, it says that Fuyu-Heavy has performed slightly better than Gemini Pro on MMMU, but I think they should have more information around it, that how they have done the visual question answering, especially in VQA V2, and also on AA2D, which is an understanding diagram understanding data set. So that's it. I know that there is not much information, but I don't see much information on their website too, and I don't want to make anything up. As soon as I get the access to these experiments, I will make another video and show you how exactly it happens. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.